Robbie wants me to do this thing. You know, have you watched It's Sunny? The song with that 240 coupe?
Oh yeah.
He wants to do his intro. What's going on? We're gonna do some paint stripping today. Today we're gonna put the coils on the car. Robbie's out the other house painting, and we're gonna strip the paint off this bad boy. And you guys are gonna watch. Oh my! You sure that's gonna fit?
Man, this thing's huge.
Okay, since I don't have my new coils, we're gonna put these stock ones back in.
This is the front one, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know. You don't have any adjustable arms or anything, do you?
You just go like,
Oh, now it's gonna fit. Okay.
like that.
I didn't want to do that.
No, there's no way it's happening like that. That stock height? Oh man.
Hey, stop moving that thing. Look how low this thing is. Dude, that's gonna be so bad.
It's gonna look like your car.
What do you mean? My Jeep?
You're gonna have like 2-3 inches of wheel gap.
Oh man. Do they know what type of coils you're getting?
Nope.
Is it a secret?
I guess so, for the same thing.
Do you want to do the rear and then toss the wheels on?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's our issue. Here's where it's supposed to go, right there, and that's where the coil actually sits. Emerson wants to jack it up and try and get it on, but these stockies don't look like they want to be on this car anymore.
Take off this upper control arm.
Oh, that is just long enough.
Nope.
Yo, I bit my tongue and it kind of hurts.
Oh, she's starting to slip. She's...
This is so stupid.
Okay, so we got the back one in. Definitely a little bit of struggling. Emerson had to take that thing off. What is that?
That's the upper control arm.
Upper control arm. No, but what is it? Attaboy.
To make this thing fit because it was catching right up on here, the spring.
So now we gotta do the same the other side and then drop the car with the 4-inch lift. Put some KOs on there.
Yes.
Oof, look at that fitment. Holy.
Ready? You got a good zoom on it? On the ground.
No.
No!
Oh, come on.
What is that?
Oh my god. It's like a rally car.
Stands on the bad boy. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. This monster truck. See if this thing still starts.
Look at the camera on the back.
There's no control arm. Oh my god! My rim is rubbing on the shock because I have no control arms. Like no camber arms.
Do you want to pull your rear bumper or no?
Yeah, it's getting painted on the rear too. So I've never taken off the rear bumper on this thing. Apparently there's some, oh, you can't even see. There's some in there and some in there. And then you're supposed to take out these butt plugs. Oh my god, you can't even see it. Butt plugs for the crash bar, I assume. I don't know. I found some goodies. And I couldn't figure out why my whole car was rattling back here for the longest time. And show them what we found.
So there's like an ARP sticker in the back. Just some sort of like light cover. What is this, a 19 mil? 19 mil socket, so that's definitely what was making the sound. And we found a pocket knife. Look how rusty and crusty this thing is. This thing's...
I've gone through the border a decent amount of times with this car.
Guarantee the sound is these things banging each other.
Okay, bumpers off, ready to sand. Look at it.
Have you been doing that the whole video?
Oh yeah!
Have you told them it's a joke?
No way! Watch me. Hit the ball. You told me to film. What do you want? What else do you want from me?
I just got back home, but they've claimed this as their video, so I'm just gonna be the cameraman. I don't know how much they've explained, so I'm sorry. It's their video. Today's video is their video.
So we're gonna take some 40 grit to this nice paint job. It's not nice, but we took
All that we did all that work, and you're doing that.
Yeah, but this is gonna look cooler.
Start with this first.
Dude, that sucks. You're not even gonna be able to tell.
Spent
It's
like
already
3
dirty.
hours trying to get on the bumper, and Buddy's guys, okay, so we're gonna work on the hood now.
Dude, that went down to the metal so fast. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Stop.
We have to show off the current amazing paint job on this side.
Oh,
We can't just get rid of such beauty without you know, addressing it first.
Yeah, right here we got some 30-year-old paint, and it's still in pretty good condition. The clear coat, it's all right. You know, it's missing some places, but other than that, it's in good condition. Here, it's all right. Right there, not all right. He wanted to like have the dark red mix in with the faded red. Lots of sun fade there.
He was really just going for the monster truck off-road look, and this just suited it.
Get rid of the pizzazz.
Okay, so I've been doing this for like 3 hours, and I've gotten that much done, and like that, but like that one came off a lot easier. That's probably like an hour's worth of sanding with 40 grit. So I'm just gonna go back to my house and get some paint stripper. Here's my 240. I'm building it right now, building a KAT. All the pieces together, just waiting for my engine to come back from the machine shop. Pretty big turbo in here. You guys will see that soon. Yeah, that's it. Not gonna do thick coats right off the bat because Emerson thinks it's gonna spill. We're gonna need a lot of this shit.
Oh, so much better than sanding. Oh yeah, dude. Look at this, boys. This was the real Bondo booty all along.
And we never even knew it.
What? Ew! Did you see the swamp in the bottom of that?
Yuck. We assembled a Civic for the first time in months. It has all the body panels. And you come in here and start tearing shit down. This thing looks ugly naked, dude. Like just a degenerate. Just a straight, no one wants to be your friend. Why are you looking at me like that? Can I help you? Degenerate.
We asked for 5 slices and look what happened. Like, what is going on?
Well, you got your 5 slices.
Okay, but you could fit like 12 in there. Is it a sheet? It's a sheet. Sally the sheet.
So last night we kind of paused because we realized that we're going to use paint stripper for most of the car because it just makes it a lot faster. So we waited till this morning, that way we can lay everything out here and it's not dark. And we're literally just going to lay out all the parts of the car and we're just going to dump paint stripper on everything. Obviously the paint stripper works a lot better, so Emerson's just laying everything out right now. He's just taking all the metal and all the junk off all the bumpers and stuff. And then we're just going to soak these things in paint stripper and hope it speeds up the process a little bit.
This stuff is so crazy. On camera, you guys probably can't hear it because it's like windy. You can legit hear this like crackling and bubbling. It's so cool. Like just the amount of time this is saving is so cool. We don't really know how well it's gonna work on the bumper. Like Emerson's trying to do it on the bumpers right now. It's kind of being a little iffy. And you can see like here he spray painted it, like just spray bombed it at one point. And you can see it's not doing as good of a job as like OEM paint and then just like rattle can paint. It's definitely gonna make this way faster than what we did yesterday.
Well, yeah. So we either spend $50 on paint stripper or spend $50 on sandpaper, and we would have been sanding all day, or we wait about 30 minutes, you know, coffee break, and then sand less.
But we gotta do it outside too, because
This stuff is so potent. I think like technically you're supposed to like wrap it up when you do it so that the chemicals stay on the paint and it works better, but like we don't have enough space for that, and if you do it in there, it stinks. So we're doing it outside. Hopefully does a little more. We just sent Courtney to pick up some more so we can do the hood. Also, if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, you should be following me on Instagram, and this is why. Last night we were playing some drinking game that we just got. I'm gonna put it there though.
No, you're not.
I'm putting it in the video.
I got shafted.
Emerson got shafted in this game we were playing last night, and he ended up having to switch clothing with somebody, and he was wearing a crop top, and he just looked like an idiot. He had a fanny pack on. Oh, buddy. What has gone wrong with you? You guys need to follow me on Instagram for just like the stupid funny shit that doesn't get into videos like that. And give Emerson a follow too for the sake of him wearing a crop top all night last night.
Deserve 10K.
you deserve 10K on Instagram just for that?
Yeah.
Well, you heard it here first, boys. Get my little Filipino to 10K and nothing will happen.
Oh, no.
Oh, dude, you're mucking it. No. I'm trying to make it better and the kid just dummies it.
Because I think we just jabbed. Yeah, we did jab a hole. Oh my god, who the hell invented this? Who put a Robertson?
Merry Crimmit.
Why Crimmit?
Because it's red and green. Merry Crimmit. Merry Chrysler.
No, there's a clip here, for sure.
God damn it!
I don't understand. It's not a game.
Oh my god, I just butchered this clip.
I'm having the biggest struggle right now. When we ripped off the old fabric, we pulled even the second layer, and then when we applied it, it was fine until like maybe like a month after it started slowly creeping up, and now the adhesive on the OEM like base is starting to peel off, so we're just gonna try and glue it. Because
Yeah, like we did this and it looked Gucci for so long, and then the actual door card came apart. This is not even like what we did. Like we peeled this back because we thought it was just this. But, like the door card came apart all by itself.
For the sake of not being able to find new ones, we're gonna try and salvage it.
So I got him to sand down just where these holes are, because we're gonna fill all these holes. That way he doesn't have them on the hatch anymore. And when we started sanding, there is so many layers of paint on this hatch, it's unreal. There's like a good like 6 coats of paint just on the hatch. And we're finding a bunch of mystery Bondo. Like there's Bondo all over here, there's Bondo here, there's Bondo here, like we're finding so much shit that we didn't know was here. So I'm just gonna cut these into tiny little circles and put them behind here. What was this for, your wiper motor?
yeah, that's going bye-bye.
Bye-bye wipers? No, no more butt plugs. We'll get rid of all of it. Ow! Something is sharp in there. This was Emerson's idea, was just to like, before we try and get new door cards, put glue under the piece that was peeling and then put weight on it. We'll just do one at a time, and we'll leave this one and then we'll do that one next. So the Bondo up here dried and we kind of just did our best to sand over it. It's gonna need another, probably just one coat, because basically like the mesh was not sticking the first time, so I just did this to make sure the mesh would stick, and now we can go in and fill it and make it smooth, which is good. And then Emerson just keeps finding more and more dents and more hidden Bondo, which is tight. And we've let this dry for like over an hour. I'm probably gonna leave it for even longer. Basically, I just do not want to have to do this again. So we put a bunch of glue under there. She seems all right. We've got it to the point where the hood is basically bare. Front fenders are bare. This thing is bare. Headlight covers, those are gonna get done at the shop.
That's pretty much it. We got like 2 days worth of work into this, and this is how far we've come. It's still a lot, but basically I just want to make sure this stays. I'll probably take these rocks off later, and if it works, then we'll do this one as well, but I don't want to do both and then find out that it was a waste of time. This thing goes to paint on Monday, but I don't know how tight it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight. This is what it is. We're gonna go have a little barbecue and hang out for the rest of the day because I'm bored of sanding, and I think so is everybody else. And this was, you're not bored?
I'm very bored.
Live to sand. I hope you guys enjoyed the Emerson and Brad special, even though it kind of turned into just a regular video near the end, but that's it. That's all we got for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.